Look, it's a moving feast, you know, and I've said publicly that I felt Australia would be challenged if the currency retested 80 cents. I'd say that would be almost a recession level. Given what is happening in oil and given what's happening in coal and iron ore, Australia has an incredible external shock occurring in terms of international income, foreign income in this country, so national income is going to fall. Now, the only thing that can offset that is the currency. If the currency doesn't fall strong enough, then the recession band drops from 80 cents to around currently 75 cents. Now, I know I'm picking numbers, but that's the schematic I'm looking at. I'd say we're looking at a situation where the currency, to protect the economy from going into recession, needs to be in the low 60s. The decline in the oil price is not good news for Australia. It is actually a net negative, bad news. We've got companies like Santos, you know, on I don't know, 20-year lows. Woodside dropping below $30, Origin under pressure, Oil Search, you know, $6, whatever it is. So tremendous pressure. Now that's the share market making an assessment. Are these companies going to get an adequate rate of return at the current oil price and the current currency? The answer is no. So that's telling you, in a micro sense, what the Australian dollar has to do to offset that. Now, I don't think there's enough commentary in the Australian media or research looking at the forward estimates of income coming off LNG. I know we were looking at towards 30-40 billion of export income. That was a year ago, going out 2 years based on currency and oil prices. I suggest that's probably come down by 10 billion, concurrently with export revenue from iron ore coming down by probably 20 to 30 billion, and coal being in the doldrums. I mean, this is a serious issue for a commodity export country. We've seen how commodities can devastate an economy, like we're seeing in New Zealand, going into recession potentially with the milk price. We've got 3 milk prices going down at once, and I think we need a little bit more discussion about it. And I suggest that the circuit breaker will be the currency will go substantially lower.